Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 231. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9, no help here. 3, 8, 9, and no help here. 3, 8, 9. Looks like for this row, we're also missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9, and an 8 here, and a 9 here. Makes this our 3, 9, 8. We can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 6 here. So this is our 9. That 2 makes this our 6, and this is our 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. I guess to come back down here, that 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8, but I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 8. 4 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 8 and our 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. And to finish off this row, we're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 7 there means this is our 8, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5. A 4 here, so 3, 4. To finish out this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 comes over and makes this our 5, 9. Also, this 7 would make this our 8, 7. Finish out this row, we're missing a 5. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.